What do I need to do to crack the GMAT examination? How much will it cost me? And can I do it for free? I know these are the exact questions that have been bothering you for the past few months. Chances are you don't have the perfect answer to these questions and you're confused. Well, we at Eventide International will help you with all such questions of yours. Coming back to the questions, what if I tell you you don't need to spend a single penny on the preparation phase of the GMAT examination? You must be thinking that I'm joking, right? Well, I'm not. I'm a GMAT tutor at Eventide International and have been teaching GMAT to students across the globe for the past 5 years. I have seen students acing the examination without spending money. Well, you can do it too. Before going to the answers of these questions, let's first analyze what are the two major problems that students face during the initial days of their GMAT journey. What do you think are the two major problems that students face during the initial days? Pause the video for a second, think about it, come back. Well, the two major problems that students face during the initial days of preparation are lack of proven strategies and lack of organized ways of thinking. Suppose in the sentence correction segment, you are given a question. What will you do? You will try to find the correct answer, right? What if I tell you you don't even need to find the correct answer? All you will need to do is find the 4 options that are wrong. And in this way, we are going to eliminate options that are wrong. In the critical reasoning segment, in the assessment type questions, what if I tell you you need to adopt a process called negation? And in the data sufficiency question, you need to think very, very carefully. You don't trust me, right? It's very obvious. Why should you trust me? Try solving this question. Pause the video for a second and come back with the correct answer. So, are we done? Were you able to solve this question? The correct option for this question was option E, which states that even after combining both the statements, you can't really find whether x and y are integers. Now, how is that? If you got this question correct, then kudos to you. You are on the very right path. However, if you are wrong on this question, don't demotivate yourself. It happens with everybody and it happened to you also. So where was the flaw? You didn't even consider that the value of x can be 2 plus root 3 and the value of y can be 2 minus root 3, which makes it difficult to predict whether x and y are integers or not. You can check the statements, check the question again. I will wait for you and come back again after analyzing the question. So are we done solving the previous question? Have you analyzed the question again? Do you now really believe that option E was indeed the correct option? If you are done with this, then the next thing that you will need to understand is where is the problem. It's not that you are not working hard. It's just that we have better proven methodologies to solve the problem. I find institutions pushing students to solve given questions within a minute time frame. I strictly recommend you not to do that. You don't need additional stresses on your exam day. Moreover, solving a question within a minute time frame won't give you bonus points. But how can Eventide International possibly help you with your GMAT journey? Eventide International brings to you 10-question chapter-wise analysis of each segment of the GMAT examination. In those videos, you will find anything and everything that you will require to crack the GMAT examination. Further, we do have an active Telegram channel where you can post your questions and your queries, and those will be resolved within 24 hours of time. We do conduct weekly quizzes so that you don't feel left behind. You can find the link to our active Telegram channel in the description segment of this video. Also, please do like and subscribe this channel so that you don't miss out on opportunities and videos that we upload. Are you still not confident enough? Don't you feel that with 2 months of dedicated practice and careful preparation strategies, you can actually solve the GMAT by yourself? If not, you can actually book a one-on-one classroom session with one of our tutors, and we can make this happen together. Eventide International is not just a test prep company. It provides different services like profile evaluation, career counseling, admission support, visa services, scholarships, loans, post-enrollment travel assistance, and whatnot. Please feel free to visit our website www.eventideinternational.com to know more.